Before landing, the jumper turns his canopy directly into the wind in order to help decrease his forward speed and provide the softest landing possible.
Where are Bill and
This is right here. Bill's in the restaurant. I think it's like when they're directly on top of it.
apparently that was wind flash.
There they go. Notice how the jumpers are maneuvering their bodies. This is being done for two reasons. The first is to demonstrate to you the amount of control the parachutist has over his body in free fall, and to provide a safe spacing for the deployment of their parachutes.
Oh, they're coming down. Holy cow. Oh, great. That was so cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, the jump master on this demonstration today, Lieutenant Colonel Scott Drinker.
Oh, we don't get smoke usually?
We don't usually get the big aircraft dropping us. The C-17, it's usually the little aircraft.
And so you, the audience, can view the parachute maneuvering that our jumpers have exacted.
This guy's probably the first one over here.
Should we get legs? 3 legs?
Oh, no, what do I get? I don't know, I was looking ahead of time in case there was someone.
Our first jumper to land today, carrying the video camera for your jumbo squad viewing pleasure in Green River, Utah, Mr. Marty Jones.
Oh my God.
Over 10,000 free-fall parachute jumps to his credit. Our next jumper to land, carrying the U.S. Air Force flag, Lieutenant Colonel Scott Drinker, USAFA class of 1988. From Raleigh, North Carolina, Colonel Drinker has over 1,100 free-fall parachute jumps to his credit. The third jumper to land, carrying a large blue and white streamer, is Cadet First Class Dan Dreyer from
perfect!
Oh, not too!
Free-fall parachute jumps to his credit.
Oh boy.
From Cadet Squadron 34, the fourth jumper to land, carrying the prisoner of war missing action flag, Chris Smith, from
Even less
Ferndale, Washington. He has over 260 free-fall jumps to his credit.
Alright, this is a better angle.
Also from Cadet Squadron 34, the fifth jumper to land carrying a large red streamer, Sam Boone. From Allentown, Pennsylvania. Sam has over 400 jumps to his credit. And our final jumper to land, carrying the Stars and Stripes. Ladies and gentlemen, get on your feet for Cadet First Class, Dave Libran from Scobie, Montana. Dave has over 510 free-fall parachuting jumps to his credit.